none tonight either.
Cena in a world of hurt, and he hadn't even had his match with Orton yet.
Think about the opportunity that has been presented to Randy Orton here tonight.
Look at Cena.
Now Cena.
He just said, come get some.
That's what he's all about, King. But, I mean, come on. John Cena has been destroyed by Chris Jericho and the Big Show. Cena can't even get to his feet.
Well, you know what? I'm thinking he may be delirious. I mean, he may be hurt so bad. He's waving Randy Orton in for some more punishment.
Orton, we've seen in the past how much Orton has punished and tortured John Cena. And Orton's a desperate man, King. He realizes Sunday is his last opportunity to win the WWE title back.
Man, this is a scary situation for John Cena.
This is the third gauntlet match for Cena tonight.
Well, you call it a gauntlet match, but I'm afraid it won't be much of a match.
First the Unified Tag Team Champions and now a 5-time World Champion. Cena faces an Orton. Oh my. Is it move? Is it move?
They're lowering!
The cell's lowering!
The hell in a cell!
What on earth is John Cena thinking about? And Orton's in trouble! Cena on the attack! John Cena! Cena's got the Viper cornered! The Viper trying to squirm and slither away!
Orton trying desperately to scratch and claw his way out of that ring before that Hell in a Cell comes down around him.
John Cena trying to trap Orton in the cell. Orton just battling.
Orton's gonna have to somehow get away.
Cena holding on. Orton's trapped. Randy Orton. And Orton, look at the stake. Look at the stake.
Oh, no.
The Viper. And he can't get out. He's caught. Orton is trapped. And John Cena knows it.
That's 5 tons of steel. Orton knew better than to get himself caught underneath that.
Randy Orton has been outsmarted.
Cena looks rejuvenated. Down to these stairs of that, what, 2,700 square feet of chain link. Cena looking at the door now.
Yeah, Cena rejuvenated. He looks a little bit crazed.
I think Randy's looking at the door as well.
Now look at
that door will be closed and locked this Sunday.
But the problem for Orton now, King, is the only way out tonight is through that open door.
Yeah, and standing between that open door and Randy Orton is John Cena. Look at
Cena ready to pounce. Saying, come on, Randy.
There goes Orton.
Orton makes a dash for it. Cena just said you want it, earn it. And here comes Randy Orton and John Cena. And here we go. Randy Orton sidesteps Cena. They're outside the cell.
Put Orton on his back.
How ironic is it that Orton's begging for mercy? John Cena going for the attitude adjustment. Orton scrambling. Look at Orton. Only one way out of it as Orton tries to scale the cell.
Like a Spider-Man. Look at him.
And Cena in pursuit.
Oh my gosh.
That cell 20 feet above the ground. 5 tons of steel. Cena scaling the cell. Orton, he's up there. Orton's up on top.
Orton's on top, but what is he going to do up there?
Oh, my Lord.
God, look at the height.
I think Orton realized now he just is a desperate escape from Cena. Look at the predicament he's in.
Cena, after the beating that he took at the hands of Jericho, and the Big Show still somehow able to scale that 20-foot high steel cell.
What a sight. A smile across the face of Cena.
Oh, that's how dangerous is this?
A stalemate on top of the cell.
sight.
I cannot believe this, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, look at Cena!
Oh, no!
John Cena!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Not on top of the cell!
Yes!
The attitude adjustment!
Oh!
Could this be a harbinger of things to come? Cena claims Orton has no idea what he's capable of. He may be right.
Fell off, I'm still knock your shell off. My money stacked that, plus I can't turn the swell off. Franchise doing big business.
Sunday is Randy Orton's last chance to regain the WWE title.
Well, a picture's worth 1,000 words. What a sight this is. That demonic structure, Hell in a Cell. Cena, Orton on top of it. For the time being, they'll be locked inside it this Sunday.
With the WWE title on the line.
I brush your mouth like Colgate. In any weather, I'm never better. Your voice so hot, you never catch me in the next man's sweater.
You think Cena's ready?
The champ is ready for Hell in a Cell.
John Cena promises an intense, a brutal, a savage beating on Randy Orton.
Look at this.
Inside Hell in a Cell.
Right now, look at this. John Cena look like King Kong on top of that demonic cell. But will he be standing tall this Sunday?
John Cena defends the WWE Championship. It's Orton's last chance. It's Cena's first time inside Hell in a Cell Sunday.
I spent plus years seeking knowledge of self. So for now, Mark Breck is living life well.